Hi everyone, Big J72 here with our weekly Grays.com Nibblebox unboxing and taste test review. Hope you've had a great weekend and week since we last spoke. I did and have. So let's get this ball rolling with our master mechanic, trusty master mechanic. Always use safety precautions and cut away from yourself when opening these boxes, as they can be, a little bit dangerous, I guess. I don't know. So there we go. 1, 2. Goodbye, master mechanic. And let's see what we have this week. Ooh, new picture. Those limes. This week we have Who's on Top of the Nutritionals booklet with your usual nutritional information. Looks like we have 4 new things. Last week we had one thing I had previously, the chili and lime pistachios, so we didn't have to really go through that one again. Here we go with, I'm not sure, I've had so many of these types of things. We'll do it anyway. Summerberry Flapjack is the first thing in there. I've had some of these other bars before, if you've watched the other videos. Which it doesn't look like anybody has. So I'm just doing this for me. Passive aggressive fun. So that's what that looks like. These are always good. I like these a lot. These has a rustic rolled oat flapjack with berry infused cranberries. So those are always good and sweet. Here's something newish. New, definitely new for me. The British barbecue. The British barbecue. Okay. Yeah. This has basil baguettes, rosemary crostini, smoked almonds, and seeds. Up next, the tropical daiquiri. Yes. Okay. In this one we have green mango, lime, raisins, and pineapple. And finally, salted fudge and peanut cookie. Ding, ding, ding. Tasty. Look at that. This has salted peanuts, red skin peanuts, vanilla fudge, and mini chocolate cookies. Alright, so let's get on to the taste test with the Summerberry Flapjack. Fresh. It's the fresh rip, and there's the detail. Product enlarged to show detail. These are always interesting because whenever you get these, you'll get these come in 3 sections, but you'll get one with the 2 stuck together and then the one off by itself. Oh, lonely. Maybe they do that on purpose. I don't know. Just have a taste. Pretty sure I've had this before. Might have been one of those videos that didn't make it. I've done a couple of those. It's delicious though. Certainly good for a sweet fix. Now let's move on to the British barbecue. Fresh. Hey, just open. There you go. Basil baguettes, rosemary crostini, smoked almonds, and seeds. Basil baguette. Rosemary crostini. Smoked almonds. We know what those. Oh, how can you go wrong with those? And seeds. These look like sunflower seeds. I'm very familiar with that too. These are always a good snack. So let's just take a little, pop it in. Pardon me. Mm. Mm-hmm. 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 This is very good. It's not too salty, and the last time we had something with some of the baguettes, it was too salty, but this is right on the money. Nice blend of everything there. You can taste each ingredient. The almonds are especially good, blending with the crostini. Thumbs up. All right, moving right along. Tropical daiquiri. Green mango, lime raisins, and pineapple. Fresh. There we go. It's pretty. All right, so we have green mango, lime raisins, and pineapple. Green mango. No, it's pineapple. I'm sorry. I did this last week. What is this? This is the pineapple. Sorry. Green mango. And of course, your lime raisins. So let's try this one. Wow. That is tart like a daiquiri. I'm going to give all of that credit to the lime raisins. But it's good. Last week we had a fruit-based one that I didn't like too much. It was too chewy and the texture was off. It was pineapple and something else that was in there. Way too gummy, but this is good. This one's good. And finally, salted fudge and peanut cookie. What do we got there? Oops, sorry. There we go. Once again, this has salted peanuts, red skin peanuts, vanilla fudge, and mini chocolate cookies. Mini chocolate cookies. You know what peanuts look like. There we go. And then what? Oh, the fudge, and these little chunkers. So here we go. This looks like it's going to be good. I love peanuts. Yeah. Probably eat a box of that. There's something. Hang on. Little red skin peanuts have. It's not a bad taste. It's just slightly. It stands out from the rest of the mix. I don't know now. Now I'm tasting it. At first it tasted really good. Now I'm tasting. Let me have another go with the whole thing. Just something off about those red skin. Or is it the fudge? No, it's got to be the peanut. Definitely better when all mixed together, but there's still something about that red skin peanut that just kind of. I'm really dragging this one out. Let's try one of the white fudge by itself. It might be this too. I'm trying to figure out which one it is. No, red skin peanut, but it's good. It's good all together. The red skins taste a little organic, earthy, I guess is the word I'm looking for, not organic. A little earthy by themselves. So anyway, that's it for another week of Graze.com. If you want to sign up, get a discount, here is my code you can use. Jason T8NB as in boy, N as in Nancy. If you use that code at grays.com, you will get your first and fifth boxes free. It's $6 a week otherwise. And you get these handy little pamphlets every time. See, little tips. Sometimes there's games and other quizzes and things. But it's always an interesting trip. So I'll see you for next week's trip. And everybody, just be good. Mwah!